We're up here on Max Patch. It's January the 10th, 2016. Guys, as you can see, we're having a little whiteout conditions up here. There's not much of a view today, but we just wanted to kind of get out. I've been stuck in the house with this one right here, and I just had to get out a little bit, guys. But like I said, it's been yeah, and y'all seen that, didn't you? See what I have to put up with, guys? See why I have to get out? But during the holidays, I know we've been slacking on some of our videos, but we're getting ready to start throwing some more actions. And I do want to tell everybody that I appreciate the ones that have been watching our videos and that have been subscribing. I do. That makes our day.
Yeah, give us more time. We'll have you some more videos, some more trails to take a look at. Just kind of waiting on the weather to clear up just a little.
Well, guys, we gotta go. But I wish we had a little bit better view up here. But it is beautiful.
Oh, yeah, it's
but other than that, guys, me and this one right here, we gotta go.
See you, bye.